Do you know what this tool is for? Struggling with messy beam connections? This is the beam column joints tool, used to create perfect mitered joints and adjust cutbacks. In our recent short, we introduced this tool as a solution for messy connections. Now, let's dive into the full details of how to master it. But before we jump into the clicks, let's look at why this is so useful. When modeling structural steel in Revit, getting beams to meet correctly at corners can be frustrating. By default, Revit often creates a butt join that might not be accurate for your 3D views or your structural connection details. To ensure your model is fabrication ready and visually correct, we use the Beam Column Joints tool. Now, let's navigate to the Modify tab. Under the Edit Geometry panel, you'll find the Beam Column Joints tool. Before we activate it, let's look at our model where the connections need to be fixed. We'll head over to level 2 and zoom in on this corner. As you can see, the corner highlighted by the blue circle needs to be adjusted to a mitered join. Now, let's activate the Beam Column Join tool. Immediately, you'll see these blue arrows appear at every structural intersection in the view. These arrows indicate where a joint can be modified. Click on the join you want to fix. You can follow the visuals on screen to see how the connection changes instantly. Now, let's apply this to the other corners. To give you a better understanding of how the geometry looks, let's switch to the 3D view. From here, we'll simply repeat the process. Notice how the beams align perfectly as we toggle the settings. As you can see, the result is a clean, professional connection that looks correct in both 3D and 2D details. Using this tool ensures your BIM model is accurate for both scheduling and detailing. If you found this detailed breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more Revit deep dives. You can also follow us on Instagram and connect with us on LinkedIn for more daily BIM tips. Drop a comment below if you're looking for help with a specific tool or have any questions. Happy modeling! See you in the next one.